In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Calendly into your WordPress site seamlessly. Whether you're new to both platforms or just need a quick refresher, this guide will walk you through every step so that you can embed your Calendly events effectively. Let's dive right in. We'll begin our journey on the Calendly homepage. If you haven't already done so, go ahead and log into your Calendly account. Once you're in, you'll see a list of your event types. Here, you can decide which specific events you want to embed into your WordPress website. This choice depends on what you'd like your visitors to book or engage with directly on your site. Once you've decided on the event, hover over it, and you'll notice a Share button right by the event's title. Click on it. This will open up several options for sharing your event, and the one we're interested in is Add to Website. So go ahead and click on that. Next, you'll be presented with a few options about how you can add Calendly to your site. In this tutorial, we are going to focus on the inline embed method. This choice will embed your calendar directly onto your web page, allowing your visitors to book an appointment conveniently. So, select Inline Embed as your option and proceed by clicking Continue. At this point, you'll be navigated to a page where you can find the HTML code for embedding your event. Click on Copy Code to copy this HTML snippet to your clipboard. This is the code that will make the magic happen on your WordPress site. Now, jump over to your WordPress site. Once you're in the WordPress dashboard, pinpoint the area where you'd like to place your Calendly event, perhaps a particular page or post. Navigate to that page and click on the plus sign located at the top left corner of your WordPress editor. This button allows you to add a new block to your page. Now, type HTML in the block search bar. You should see an option for custom HTML. Click on it to add an HTML block to your page. This block is where you'll paste the Calendly code you copied earlier. So go ahead and paste it in there. Once the code is in place, it's helpful to preview how it looks before publishing. Click Preview to ensure everything appears as you intended. This step ensures that your visitors will see your calendar exactly as you envisioned. And there you have it. Your Calendly event is now successfully embedded into your WordPress site, providing your visitors with a seamless booking experience. Thank you for following along, and happy scheduling.